If CapCut keeps showing an exporting error that says not enough memory, don't worry. This is usually fixable in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to clear the issue, improve your export performance, and get your project rendered successfully without guessing. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut fixes and editing tips. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is disable hardware acceleration inside CapCut. Open CapCut and go to Settings. Once the Settings window is open, find the Performance tab. Here you should see an option that says Speed up hardware encoding. If that option is enabled, uncheck it, then click Save. This step matters because sometimes hardware encoding can overload your system or trigger memory-related export errors, especially if your computer is already running a lot of background tasks. After saving the change, go back and try exporting your video again. In many cases, this alone can solve the problem. If the error is still showing up, the next step is to clear the CapCut app cache. To do that, open CapCut Settings from the menu, then navigate to the Draft tab. Inside this section, look for the cache area. You should see the current cache size listed there. Click the trash icon next to the cache size to clear it. Over time, cache files can build up and take unnecessary space, which can interfere with CapCut exporting properly. Clearing the cache gives the app a fresh start and can help remove temporary files that may be causing the memory error. Now let's check your computer's storage space. Even if CapCut itself looks fine, exporting can fail if your device is running low on available storage. Open your computer's storage settings and make sure you have at least a few gigabytes of free space. If your drive is nearly full, delete any files you no longer need, empty the recycle bin, and close apps that are using up memory or disk space in the background. CapCut needs room to process your project, create temporary files, and complete the export. If there isn't enough free space, the export can fail even if your timeline is edited correctly. Another very effective fix is to change the export path. When you open the Export Settings menu in CapCut, look for the Destination folder option. Instead of exporting to a drive that is almost full, change the location to a drive or folder with more available capacity. For example, if your main drive is running low, choose another drive with more space. This helps CapCut write the export files more easily and reduces the chance of another not enough memory error. After selecting the new export path, try exporting again and see if the issue is gone. If you followed all 4 steps and CapCut is still giving you trouble, it's a good idea to restart your computer and close any unnecessary programs before trying once more. That extra step can free up memory and stop background apps from interfering with the export process. In most cases though, disabling hardware acceleration, clearing cache, checking storage, and changing the export path will solve the problem. So to quickly recap, first, disable speed up hardware encoding in CapCut settings. Second, clear the app cache from the draft section. Third, make sure your computer has enough free storage space. And fourth, change the export destination to a drive with more room. Follow those steps in order, and you should be able to fix the CapCut exporting error, not enough memory, and get back to editing. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more CapCut tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.